On today's Let's Build, let's see what we have. We need to complete this for the rest of them, all the way around. Let's get started. Do as I say, not as I do. I always have protection. Let's get ready to build. Now, I've already got this bar. We're going to work on the second bar. Stand by. So, we found a spot, but we have to check and see if it's leveled or not. So what we're going to do is grab the wood that we already cut. Take your leveler, Dollar Tree. Gonna be looking for the bubble, supposed to be in the center. So, it's not quite leveled. See if I can bring you to here. So it's not quite leveled. So we're going to change it until we can get it leveled by moving it either up or down according to the bubble. The bubble should be in the center. Let's get it back. Now we have it leveled. After it's leveled, mark your spot. I will put a dot in the center of the holes that are in the brackets. I'm going to come back and show you that. Drill it in sturdy. Place my boards, screw in some screws, wood screws that is. Let's get started. Well, let's show you the progress. Put that on. Stain that. We got the second one on. And we stained the top. The stain I'm using, Rust-Oleum wood stain ebony color. There you have it. Build for the day.